Hi, welcome to our channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will learn how to create tables. In the last previous video, we learned how to install the SAM server. First, we need to check the system configuration, and then we download the SAM server according to the system configuration, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Then we open this URL at Chrome browser or Internet Explorer, Mozilla localhost slash phpmyadmin. So this kind of page appears. So in this video, we will learn how to create the tables. So let's take the employee. Employee is a database name, and in the employee database name, we are taking the let's take the new name from scratch. We are starting. So let's take the new name of a database. Employee, employee, right? It's already exists, so we are taking employee one database name, right? So we are creating. Now we are taking the EPI in employee one and taking the 6 columns. Now what we want in 6 columns, we will create EPI, employee personal information table, and employee performance score table. In employee personal information, we need a 6 columns for these. So we will type ID, name, and email, then phone, then address, and then bank details, right? And let's take it 255. Let's take it 55 here. 255 and email 255, phone 10, and address 255, and bank 255. Let's take it voucher, address voucher, phone and email voucher, name should be voucher. Okay. So storage engine is InnoDB. So it because it supports the foreign key, and we will click save. So this is how table created, EPI table. These are the columns name, 6 columns name, right? So let's create it another table. But before proceeding, let's insert some values in it. For example, ID we take ID 123, name, okay, right? Email, phone, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now address, okay. Address should be SYS and bank SYS. Similarly here, let's insert one more name. ID 234, name ABC, email abc@gmail.com, phone 123456789, address ABC Bank ABC. Let's create it. Let's go. So here is the structure, right? And here are the details. These are the two rows which we inserted in a table. ID, name, email ID, phone address, and bank details of a employee. Now let's create one more table, that is called employee performance score. Table name employee performance score, right? In this we need how many? Okay, ID, name, and leaves 3, and 4 performance score. Okay, I will take ID, then name, leaves, performance score. Let's take it score, right? Instead of performance score, leaves and performance score. Score is in, ID in, name should be in Badger, leaves should be in uh, um, okay. So leaves going, okay, everything. Let's get the Badger to profile. Leaves. Okay, right? This is another table in OTP, and let's create it. Save. So these are EPI and EPS are tables, and let's insert some values in it. So we'll go to insert, click on the insert, 123, and we will take just a bracket, leaves 0 and score 9. Similarly here 2, 3, 4, name is ABC, leaves is leaves are 2, and performance score is 7, right? So this is a, let's go to the browse. So this is the another table, EPS, this is EI, and this is EBS, right? So what we will do now, we will go to the let's open it. In for next videos, we will learn how to join these two tables and further commands. So keep till then, bye bye, take care.